would you like to make 10,000 to 50,000 naira every week? These numbers are not even really that big. Now, with your smartphone, you can be making thousands and thousands of dollars and be smiling to the bank every week. Now, before I reveal the app that is going to help you make this amount of money using only your smartphone, yes, creating designs with your smartphone, before I reveal that app, here's a question I would like to ask you, and I want you guys to leave answer in the comment section. What is your biggest motivation to making money online, right? Now, mine is my family. I don't know what yours is. Now, tell me your biggest motivation. What made you decide that I want to make huge amount of money online? Just say, oh, Kennedy, this is the reason why I want to make thousands of dollars online. Leave it down in the comment section. Now, before I continue, don't forget to smash the like button, become a subscriber, because I need more people in my YouTube family, right? Let's grow bigger. Let's get to 10,000 followers. Let me keep on bringing out more banger videos for you guys. So make sure you are a subscriber and you like this video. Now, here's the few things I'm going to be covering in this video. I'm going to be covering the name of the tool. Yes, I'm going to be revealing the name of this tool. I'm also going to be showing you how to master this tool, how to become a professional, right? And number 3, the video is not going to be a perfect video without me, without me showing you how to get people to pay you for this skill, right? So stay tuned, sit down, strap your seatbelt, and let's go and explore how to make good money online. Now, here's the thing, guys. Please, I'm begging you again. Make sure any questions you have, leave them in the comment sections. All right, leave them in the comment section, and I'll get to the questions one after the other. So let's go in. Your screen. Now, the name of the app is called Canva, right? It's called Canva. Now, here's what it looks like on a computer. You can, if you go to the template section here, there's a lot of edits you can do using just Canva, okay? There's a lot of edits you can do using just the Canva. Let's go back to Canva website. Simple and short, right? All right, so we are currently on Canva right now, and you can go on the templates, right? There's so many designs that are here. You're gonna basically, there are a lot of different templates. Now, templates are pre-designed designs that you can use. Now, this is what you are going to be selling basically. This is event flyers, right? These are event flyers like this, all these kind of fancy flyers you see online. People are buying them. This is a huge niche you could go and start selling. Now, the other day I bought a design for about 5,000 naira, and it's crazy. Imagine how many if you can sell 2 of those a day. That's 10,000 naira a day. And in less than a week, you're going to be making 50,000 naira and above, right? 50,000 and above. Now, this is Canva, the same Canva that's on computer. This is the one on the smartphone, right? Now you see, everybody says everything, 5-star reviews. This is the app for your Android, and it's still on the iOS store, right? Now, once you figure this out, the next thing you want to do is to go on YouTube. There are a lot of videos here, and I could also make my own videos on how you can, start using this to earn money for yourself, right? So basically, here are some of the Canva design and tutorials, full-on tutorials, from Franklin, and lots more of Canva tutorials. Now, once you learn this in this app on your smartphone, you can now start practicing, right? You can go on Google and just search for flyer designs, and then you start practicing from the ones you see there. Try to recreate those ones from the ones you see there. So simple to learn this. Now, once you figure this out, this is the few ways you can start getting clients for your business. So let's go. Look at this person's page. What she's running is her personal brand, right? Basically, what she did was to come up with, a good-looking brand, and then, you can see how she posts all her designs that she makes here, and the designs are very nice. You see, a lot of people who are interested will come and buy her designs, right? Now you can post all your designs here on Instagram, or you could go via your Facebook. If you have your Facebook, you go on Facebook, you post your design. Now, here's a graphics, the graphic model of how this works, right? Now, most people will go on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and then post all their designs, give tips on how to grow design. Basically, it's just building your personal brand. And then you direct everybody who sees it, which is, of course, got traffic to your WhatsApp. Right from your WhatsApp, you start posting on your stories. People can message you, and you can now start making sales like this, right? This is one of the ways you can sell your service, right? Now, there's also Facebook, right? There's also Twitter. There's a lot of ways you can sell your design as a graphic designer. You could also come on Twitter, or yes, you can come on Instagram here and look for businesses, right? For example, this business, let me just look for a couple of businesses. Let's just go ahead and look for a couple of businesses here, or someone who you think might need your design. So go on the explore page, and I'm going to look for a business right now. Let me just see. Let me just go on a random page right now. Send him a message and tell him, "Hi, this is what I do." Blah blah blah. Once you go there, you send him a message, and that's it. It's very very simple, right? It's very simple. Send him a message, tell him, "Hi, I am a graphics designer. I want to work with you," etc., etc. Then one of the things I recommend you guys do highly is like you post a lot of your designs. It's like your portfolio. So whenever anybody wants to hire you, the person is going to, come here and ask you, what videos what have you done? Then you come to your page and you'll see a lot of stuff you've done. It will be very easy to sell yourself as a designer. It will be super easy to sell yourself as a designer. Simply just go on the profile and that's it, right? You see how this guy has done my designs around here, so I'll show you guys. This is one of the designs I got from him. This is my designer, and you can go on his page and you see all his designs. So you can come here, design, put out your design, show people, learn how to do that, and start earning money online doing this, right? So this is one of the ways you can make money online. You can make $10,000 to $50,000, 50,000 naira, sorry, online every single month. All right.